Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make creamy homemade peanut butter in the Mixie in just 1 minute. Making peanut butter at home is healthier and inexpensive than store-bought peanut butter. So let's get started with the recipe. I do use a lot of peanuts in my recipes and in my diet, and I buy them locally from this wonderful man whom I fondly call Babu Etten. Sand roasted peanuts are the best as they help to preserve the nutrients when they are slow roasted in the sand. This is how peanuts are roasted in India since many years. So if you are a peanut butter lover or into gymming and makes peanut butter at home, buy them locally and support people like Babu Etten. And also make sure you carry a steel container to put in the piping hot roasted peanuts. So once I bring home the peanuts, I allow it to cool down a bit and then I remove the skin. You can also roast the peanuts in a tawa or in the oven if you don't have access to roasted peanuts locally. Add in 2 cups of peanuts into the dry grinder jar of the Mixie. Note that I am using a high-speed 1300 watt Mixie. The peanuts are slightly salted, so I am adding in just about a pinch of pink Himalayan salt and grind this for 15 seconds. Once ground, you can see that the peanuts are nicely ground and oil has started releasing out. Now, if you're planning to make all natural peanut butter, you just need to pulse it another 30 seconds and your all natural peanut butter is ready. I have already shared how to make all natural peanut butter. Links will be updated in the description box below this video, so please do check it out. So since I'm making creamy peanut butter, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons wood pressed groundnut oil, and for some extra sweetness I'm adding in 2 tablespoons liquid jaggery. Other options are 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, and blend this for another 30 seconds and my creamy homemade peanut butter is ready. See how creamy and thick the peanut butter is. Transfer to an airtight glass container and it will keep good for up to a month. So guys, do try this healthy homemade creamy peanut butter and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.